Look at this. Yeah. Snowmobiles. Going to the ice cave and Svalbard. Look at the beauty of Svalbard. In the middle of nowhere. Snowmobile for an hour to get here. There's an ice cave right there. Going into the ice cave. Ice cave. Like, look, it's all ice. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That's where I just came from.
See the layer inside when you close the zipper, it's like,
Oh yeah.
it looks like gold here. Is it gold?
Oh man, it might be. That right there's the gold?
No man, gold and look like this.
I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, fell right on my ass. Look at that. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, one fish. I'll joke.
Ah! He said there was a fish over here. I was like, where? Joking. Yeah. You know, you're outside. I never in my life thought I'd ever be in an ice cave in the Arctic. In Svalbard. Look, this is ice.
Frenchmen.
With two Frenchmen. Yeah. Yeah, bear. Yo, this is pure ice.
Imagine an American dude with another dude.
Straight ice. Well, look at the icicles on the. Oh, that's cool. Oh, ha! Good thing I got a helmet on. I'm hitting my head. I was taking a nap. Take a nap in the ice cave. Huh? Laying down. Can you shine your light on me real quick? Can you shine your light on me real quick? You see? Like shine it on, yeah. Yeah, see? Laying down in the ice cave, I'm taking a nap.
Doing a night slab.
Chilling.
Clip if you want.
Hey, oh! Yeah.
Next time we're partying.
Okay, first of all, these people is crazy.
Why they crazy, Ma?
They thought I was going down there. Look down there. First of all, they done lost all track of their mind. I ain't going down there. Ain't no way.
You ain't going in the igloo?
No.
It's an ice cave though.
No.
It was so much fun.
Yeah. Whatever.
Yeah, we got the dogs out here.
We got a dog.
Dog sled. Huh.
So cool. The dog sled.
Yeah?
Dog sleds are really cool. I'm going over to say hi to them.
The ice cave was cool though. Yeah, let's go meet the dog. Oh, look at him. Oh.
He likes to destroy his harness.
Ah.
All have little holes and they got their feet.
Yeah. The guy got the rifle. He locked and loaded. Ready for them polar bears.
This guy.
Hey. Here. Turn it to me for a second. Oh, can you just... No, it's all good, it's all good. Never mind. I'll do it this way. They can see me now. You wanna say what's up? Out here in the Arctic. Hey. We had the snowmobile for a whole hour to get here. So, we ain't close to nothing. Yeah. Okay. I try to give a peace sign, but I got mittens on. I'll give like, all right, peace, but you know.
So cool.
Snow angel in the Arctic, huh? Okay, wait,
Awesome.
let's see what it looks like.
Wow.
Boom.
Awesome.
Cool. Yeah. Hey. does it all.